Hello, fellow traders. Good morning to you. Good afternoon. Good evening. It depends on the time you come across this video. I greet you all according to your time. Yeah, I know it's been a while. I came up with a phone, a mobile trading strategy, but I am glad to be bringing that about today. Now, this strategy is something that you can trade in two ways. I am going to show you one method right now. I am also going to make a separate video on how to trade the second method of this strategy. Now, I wouldn't like to waste much of your time. For the sake of this video, I will be calling this a channel. I will be calling this a channel. Yeah, you can use whichever color you feel you're okay with. So I will be calling this a channel. So simply, if price is trading below the channel, you concentrate on sales. And if price is trading above the channel, you concentrate on buys. Now, okay, let's start with the sell, which I have outlined here. Um, I'm going to check on the buys later. So for the sell, I'm using red line, and you can use any higher time frame as your higher time frame. I'm using the H1 in this case. And what do I look for? Clearly, price is trading below the channel, and from all indications, this move right here is a pullback. This move right here is a pullback, and I expect price to fall below. Now, I will not just enter because I expect a pullback, but we need confirmations, and that is where the other setups on this system comes in. And how do I do that? Let's move on. I'm going to the 5-minute time frame to look for an entry. So let me pull that back. Good. We got it right here. We got it right here. Also, please don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. That is one way you show appreciation for me or to me. I look forward to that. Now, price was trading below in the H1. So I come to the M5 looking for entries. So what do I then do? I watch this. I watch what price is doing. I'm waiting for price to come below these channels for a sell, right? Now that is where indicator window 2 comes into play. That is where the indicator window comes into play. So at this point, sorry, at this point, notice that price hit the 90 level. And this 90 level, you just don't sell immediately price hits the 90 level, right? You wait for price to come and cross the 80 level, this red line right here. And at that point, you would observe that this was where price was when this happened. So it is already below the channel. So you can confidently take your sell position at that place, set your stops above, and ride. Look at that move. Significant. Significant, isn't it? And it kept falling. Now, one thing I'll tell you is that this does not work quite well on a ranging market. So if there is a ranging market, you will take some losses. Now, the second method I'm going to show in another video carries more accuracy. Now, at least on this trading setup, I am confident of 77 to 80% accuracy. Now, let's go back to the H1. I don't want this video to be very long. So let's see what happens here. In this case, I will move this here. And I will change this to green. So we are looking for buy opportunities, right? Good. Now, in this case, price was already above, so which means we're trading upwards. But in this point, price was at the sell zone, so we will not take it. Yes, even though it played out, yes, it played out, but we will not be taking it. Let's say if price give us the cake that we look for. Yeah, it did give us, but then there is another thing, another caveat. You see, whenever you have an entry like this, like the one here, always make sure you shake your charts. See, you shake your charts. If it doesn't move, then it is valid. So like we have this right here, this is valid. This is valid. This isn't. So what you do before you take that entry, move your charts this way. Just like you see right here, these top ones are not moving. They are not moving. It remains stationed. So you see, they are valid. But you see this one, this one, moving it moves. It's not valid. So this is how you avoid unnecessary losses. So in this case, we would not have had an entry even though it played out here, but our conditions are not met. So we need this to align when this is above this price for an entry. I'll be making more videos on this. I do not want this video to be long. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.